and the trainer was good. The live classes definitely helped me because as soon as I have doubt, I can ask him, I can reach out to him. Also, they can provide some guidance on real life scenarios, how Terraform can be helpful. So myself, Shubra Roy. So currently I am situated in Kolkata, India. I am currently working in one of the IT organizations in Kolkata named MOL Information Technology. My day-to-day job is, I'm working in Azure cloud infrastructure area, where I was involving managing various shipping-related business of my organization based on Azure cloud. It's a networking role and also infrastructure role, which is managing with the help of cloud. Mostly, I'm working in Azure cloud, and also I have the knowledge of AWS. So these are the cloud area which I'm working, and also some of the DevOps parts that I have the knowledge, and I also implementing my projects. So these are the day-to-day work activity which I'm doing in my current organization, and my role is Azure cloud networking area and also infrastructure area. Yes, so this is the role I am currently working. So, first of all, I heard K21 Academy a long back. So I have enrolled for various courses, and I have learned a lot of things from K21 Academy on earlier courses. So after that, in my current tenure in my organization, so there is a need of upskilling to cloud infrastructure and hands-on area in cloud infrastructure as a code. So here comes the upskilling part that I need, and I'm looking for some courses, online courses that can be helpful for me, which can guide me and upskilling me, help to upskilling me in these areas. So I came across the K21 academy courses from internet only, and I came to know that there are the courses going on Terraform. So there I searches various things, and because I earlier had the knowledge in Azure cloud that is given from K20 Academy only. So I was relying on K21 Academy that this course might be helpful for me to upskilling myself, and also they can provide some guidance on real life scenarios how Terraform can be helpful, and it can be help upskilling me in those areas of cloud. So there comes the part, and I enrolled in the courses. Yeah. I enrolled in the courses in this Terraform course in the year of 2023. That is 1 year back. So the classes started on September, I believe. So I have enrolled the courses, and as soon as I enrolled, I think within 1 month they told that next batch will start. Then it has started in scheduled time. So I have attended each and every day, and the trainer who instructed in our courses. So he was very helpful, and he guided us most of the thing, and in Terraform and hands-on. He also told us, and module-wise, there was the guidance, and there was the slides, PPT slides was there. Most of the live classes were there. Okay. So in the live classes, our doubt has also been cleared by the trainer, and actually very gently and very modestly he told every doubts of my ours, and that is very helpful for us. The guidance he provided us, it went well in my cases, and as I told you that I have attended each and every live classes. I haven't missed in class, and after finishing of the classes. I'm not telling that I immediately enrolled in the exam. It took some time because other my work was there and office work and all. So yeah, after some time in June, in month of June, I appeared in the Terraform certification exam. So it's a long time. After finishing the course, I took some time to prepare for the exam, and also there are some hands-on practice I have done to before appearing in the exam. So that was the two-way of approach. One is hands-on practice, another is preparing for the examination. So both the approach helped me, and the trainer was good. because and also one thing that I need to mention here that K21 Academy provide us the live classes not only for my batches. After finishing of the classes, there are several other batches that was going on. So after at the time of revisioning, so that helped me because lots of new things that have been included in the those future classes. That because my classes has end on I think is October or November it has been ended. So after that there are some more sessions was there. So we got the recording and also we can join the live classes of those classes also that has conducted later. So that also helped me because I was seeing the recording. So it helped me a lot. And after finishing the courses, as I told you that it took some time. And after that, I appeared for the exam in June 2024. So and successfully I cleared the exam of Terraform. Let me tell you something like as I enroll in different courses also, means earlier in my career. So I found K21 Academy has limited number of people who are joining in the live classes. So the trainer who can guide us in the live classes, so it can be one to one. Whenever we have the doubt, we ask in the question section in the in live classes. I'm telling that in live classes only we can unmute and we can ask other questions that we have, the doubts we have. At the classes only we can ask him, and he can provided his feedback or whatever the solution that is there. He can guide us. So that is the main thing I think because recordings are fine, but the live classes definitely help me because as soon as I have doubt, I can ask him, I can reach out to him. So it definitely helped me a lot. And as I told you that after finishing of my classes also, there are some other live sessions was there. So if I miss some classes, then I can definitely join those classes also, which was that took place after my session. So those are the areas I want to highlight that it helps me a lot. One is live classes, one is recording, and also the doubt clearing sessions was there. After finishing of the classes, the trainer provided some Q&A session or something, so we can unmute ourselves in the class only, and he can we can yeah he was able to clear all our doubts. So that was very good to me. I think that was very good, and also that was mostly that is beneficial for me. As I told you that currently I am one organization in Kolkata. So miss after upskilling in Terraform means I have multiple opportunities now. So I have job offers. So I want to look in the Azure cloud area only. So in the infrastructure and infrastructure as a code, that is a vital part in Azure cloud infrastructure area. And that is the DevOps part. So in DevOps field, there was many opportunities that nowadays is coming because all the organizations are implementing DevOps infrastructure as a code because once we implement the Terraform, so that helps the organization to implement multi-cloud structure. That is not only Azure but also AWS and GCP because Terraform is cloud agnostic, so it can help to implement Azure cloud in not only Azure cloud, I'm telling all the clouds area with the help of the code. So infrastructure provisioning time can be reduced significantly with the help of Terraform. So if I have done the upskilling, so I can be part of those journey of the organizations future, so that there I can help their business and accordingly I can grow myself also. Yeah, that actually I want to tell this according to this certification only that I am telling that if someone want to appear this exam, then follow every classes that is being held by K21 Academy. That the slides preparing the exam all is fine. They can follow the slides whatever has been provided. Uh, Research from themselves also and prepare the hands-on whatever the assignments have been given by the trainer, so that they can prepare and also they can with the help of the slides and the materials that has been given by K21 Academy, that was very good. That was very good and self-explanatory also. So they can with the help of this they can you know they can appear in the exam.